We could essentially say, you can go to whatever polling station you want, as long as it's in your district. Today, you have to go to the polling station that you are living, where they ask you to come. Yeah, you could do way more things. We could have bigger polling stations where more people could vote. We could have polling stations on the parking lot of your local supermarket. But no, that's currently not possible. And you know why? Because in 2025, the argument was not every polling station has access to internet. We are 2025. The next elections are 2028. I said, I hope that at least in 2028 they will have. And the answer is no, probably not. Or will you pay for it, Mr. Clement? I was like, for God's sake. We are talking about 2028, that the polling stations in Luxembourg, the country with the highest GDP per capita, don't have access to internet, while countries like Georgia and Bosnia Herzegovina are running their elections digitally. That can't be the case. And that simply shows that a few politicians are still so stuck in the past, so stuck in the analog world, that we need to have reform, that we need to rethink how we do business in Luxembourg.